on the gains that we already started 230 with. So over the last 1 hour, if anything, I think some of the gains have been given up, are not built on. Maybe that's the way to look at things. UPL is the big gainer, followed by ITC and Reliance Industries. These are the 3% plus gainers on the Nifty. Losers, of course, Apollo Hospitals, Eicher, SBI Life, and a few more, but nothing large or significant on the downside, at least on the Nifty today. Broader markets, of course, is much more varied. Rima.
Well, Apollo Hospitals is the top Nifty loser, and that reports numbers today. And the stock has ended at the low point with a cut of 2.5% ahead of numbers. But a lot of the auto names also came in for selling pressure. So Eicher Motors, where there was no positive surprise, so the stock was down 2.5%. Hero Motorcorp, Bajaj Auto. So many of these two-wheelers were weak in trade. And Bharat Forge too, where the street was disappointed by the losses in their overseas subsidiary and the muted top-line revenue growth, also ending down in trade. Nykaa was the other notable loser in the mid-cap space, and that had a cut of nearly 4.5%. But in the broader markets, fertilizer catches your attention, right?
It does. Those stocks are RCF, NFL. Those were the real green spots in the market. But you were talking about Nykaa. I just also want to point out PB Fintech, Rima. Remember the huge pop that some of these stocks got immediately after results? Today, PB Fintech was down about 5%. So a lot of profit taking on Nykaa, on Zomato. Paytm was also down about 2%. So these are stocks that were on the downside of the screen. Oil India continued its good form from yesterday, another 6% on this one. So broader markets at a headline level, underperforming. But of course, beneath the surface, you have some winners as well. Well, with that, we'll wrap up this edition.